How to hide connection on LinkedIn. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide connections on LinkedIn. To hide your connections on LinkedIn so that others can't see them, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type linkedin.com. Now press enter to search it. You will be taken to the official website of LinkedIn. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top you will find some icons. Click on this profile picture or the me icon at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. And once you click on it, the drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the Settings page now. And once you are here, click on this Visibility option from this menu. Once you click on Visibility, here you will be presented with the visibility of your profile and network section. Under it, you will need to find Connection option. Once you find this connection settings, click on it to open it. And once you open it, here you will find the toggle button at the right side. Currently it is turned on, so that others can view your connection list. You just simply have to click on this toggle button to switch it off. Once you click on this toggle button, it will switch off. This setting ensures that your connection list is private and only you can see it. At the bottom you will find some note. It says if you turn off this setting, only you can see your connection list. But your connection can still see any mutual connections or connections who have endorsed you. So by following these steps, you can make your LinkedIn connection private so they are not visible to others. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.